Today's lesson UI collection view. So let's start. First of all, create. I have already created blank project, white screen. So are you sure? So first of all, create collection view, UI collection view. Hide this bar. UI collection view. So view dot bound and create layout. This layout UI collection view flow layout and layout dot scroll direction is vertically. So add this and collection view dot delegate as a self and collection view data source as a self and view add subview as a collection view, but collection view cell is registered. So register UI collection view cell dot self and id is cell. So showing some error, UI type view control type UI view delegates not assigned. So in data source and delegate assign view delegate and UI collection view data source. So adding some methods, number of item section, so return 100 and sell for item. So let's sell and collection view dot presumable cell. So cell id is declare is cell, copy and paste in this index path, hide this index path and return type of UI collection view cell. So this cell is UI collection view cell. So return and run our, sorry, not showing, but cell dot background color dot orange and run our project. So this make grid view like as photo gallery in our mobile. So set our size 2 column. So UI collection view delegate flow layout and access size for item. So return CG size. So calculate our size. So size, so width collection view dot frame dot size dot width and same it is height. So one row, but every cell is 2 column and 2 column between space 10 pixel and left side and right side is a 10 pixel space. So minimum spacing section, so 10 space and minimum interaction space, so return 10 and collection view all side include space insert section item space, so return UI edge top 10 space left 10 space bottom left, bottom 10 pixel space and right 10 space. Sorry, wrong method access. So delete collect sorry minimum return 10. So calculate to minus left side 10 and right side 10, so 20 and plus 2 cell between 10 space, so 13 divide by 2. So create two column space in our app. So changing background color dot white, this is two column and 100 cell. So I have created this array and paste here in our, and I have already created, delete some space and remove comment. I have created UI collection view cell, is make a custom cell in image cell, and inside the image add is a subview. This is constant ns layout constant, so use auto layout constant, but programmatically I'm not prefer using storyboard. So this cell is custom cell, watch this, and this register cell is make is a use custom cell, and this portion is forecast is a type of our cell is UI collection view cell. Written is everything right. Okay, make is UI collections view cell. So cell dot image view is already created as a subview. So access image view dot image, but is 100, remove an array dot count. I have already created some image array. So array dot index path dot row and run our project. So this is like as a photo library. So thank you watching this video, like video, share video and subscribe this channel and hit the notification bell. You will get notification my latest video. Thank you.